Hi everyone, Happy Lantern Festival, Happy New Year. Hi, 大家好，新年快乐，元宵节快乐。Today I'm going to improvise using store-bought peanut butter to make sweet rice balls. 今天我们用店里买的花生酱做汤圆。首先我们要和面。First we're going to make the dough. I have 1 cup of glutinous rice powder, also known as sticky rice powder. 我们用1杯糯米粉。I have a pot of water boiling here, so we take a 1/4 cup of hot water. 我们用1/4杯的热水。We add it slowly, 慢慢加进去。Now we add a 1/4 cup of cold water. 现在我们加1/4杯的冷水。So we're going to make the dough until it's smooth. 我们现在做这个面团，到全部光滑。So after a few minutes, our dough is smooth. 几分钟以后，我们的面团做好了。Now on a flat surface cutting board, we're going to roll this into a log. 我们在菜板上把它揉成长条。Then we cut into even pieces. So it depends on how big you're going to make them. 现在我们把它切成均匀的小块。Okay. Now this is peanut butter. Put it in microwave for 10-15 seconds to make it softer. So 花生酱放那个微波炉热10到15秒，让它软。然后 take some out. Now we're going to make the rice balls. Also on my stove, I have water boiling. So take 1 piece, roll into a ball, and then push down in the middle. Into like a bowl. Add peanut butter. If you like it sweeter, you can add a little bit of sugar, but I like not so sweet. And then close it. Seal it. And roll into a bowl again. Okay. Now we have 4 rice balls. 4 is good number for Chinese. 4 means 4 seasons. 那我们做了4个，4个也是好数字。那 Now my water is boiling. You can add them in from the side. 从锅边加进去。轻轻地推一下 ，stir gently. So cook a few minutes until the rice balls float up. 我们要煮大概几分钟，直到那个汤圆浮起来。After a few minutes, the rice balls are floating on top. We just add a little bit of cold water. 几分钟以后，我们的汤圆浮起来了，我们加一点冷水。Then for the second time, we add a little bit of water, cold water. 我们再加一次冷水。Now our rice balls are ready. 我们的汤圆熟了。The round shape of rice balls symbolizes family reunion and good luck. Wish you all the good luck in the new year. 祝大家团团圆圆，新年大吉！谢谢收看，下次再见。Thank you for watching. See you next time.